Hi guys, welcome back to Fun with Hendrix, and today we're going to be building the Lego micro mini set, and it's called Iron Man versus Thanos. And here's the front, and take a look at the back. A random bag, and another, and the instructions. So, open this bag. Here, I'll go get that. And first, we build Iron Man. He has a creepy looking face. And the helmet and the legs. And here's a look at the full builded car. And then you get a wrench for Iron Man right here. And face it like this. And then we will put your helmet on again, and then put this blue piece on. And then forgot to put the wheel on. And then put him in the car, and then boom, boom. I like it because it can like fly in the air, and then it can like go down, and then he can shoot at Thanos when he's driving in it, and then you can take his hair off. His helmet off, and then make him fly, and if you're upside down, his helmet, you can make his helmet fall off, and then you would put the hair on, then drive around, and he stops. So that was all about the Iron Man car. Now let's build the Thanos car. Hi guys, we're gonna do Thanos today, and starting right now. That's Thanos. You can take his wheels off and pretend his car is like a fist. Like Ow. Okay, I can't do it. But it's really fun. Now let's grab Iron Man. Here's cool about Iron Man, you can take this off and then like put him in the fingers and then he connects to Thanos' car. And we're about to do a race, and whoever falls off the table first wins. Okay? That was okay. Thanos. That's my micro machine set. Thanks for watching. Bye. But first, before you go, I need to tell you two things. Tell your parents about Moana and try to get them to buy it for you, because it's really good. And I'm going to do a micro mini racing set. And bye now.